G'day all. I built this steam hammer some years ago. I've done a few videos on it before. Today I'm going to run it off this Jensen 20G steam engine. It's an electrical fired boiler. It's not plugged in yet. The idea for today's video is from a friend of mine, Nick, who's also a steamer, and most of you would probably know him. Nick from Minnesota. He gave me the idea of putting some toy caps, from a children's toy cap gun under the steam hammer. So when I get it fired up, this is what I'm going to give a go at doing. It's been ages since Nick gave me that suggestion. I just haven't got around to it, but finally ordered the caps, and the caps are coming today. So today's going to be the day that we find out whether the steam hammer will fire off the caps, and it's bringing out the big boy in the big boy, which is me. So we'll get started. We'll put some water in the boiler. Okay, so I'll fill the boiler up. That water tower is such a handy thing to have. That's my little dog running around. You can hear her nails on the timber floor. Water's going down in the tower. Elsie can see I'm just waiting for this boiler to fill up, but Elsie can see the torch light, and she wants to attack the torch light. Good girl, aren't you? Not the smartest dog, but you're a good girl, aren't you? Okay, back to the boiler. Okay, you can see the water going in. Give that another 30 seconds or so and it'll be filled up nicely. Just at the top of the window. Okay, I'll turn the torch off. Yeah, it's off, Elsie. Torch is off. Alright. Turn the water tower pump off. I should say gravity fed, it's not a pump. Okay. Water's in. Pressure valve back in. Take this cap off. Alright, I'll turn the power on. Put it up to 100. And I'll wait for that to come up to boil. And I'll be back soon. Okay, I've got the Jensen 20 connected up to my Bustin Demon chuck pot. It's come up to the boil, there's a bit of water coming out. So we'll just see how fast it's going, because I don't want it going really fast. I want to get it down to a really nice try and slow that down a bit. Just wait till that engine burns through a little bit of that steam, uses up some of that steam, and you'll just want to get those hammers slower than that. Sounds very nice coming through the truss pot. I reckon that's looking pretty good. So we're going to give these caps a try. I think that's a good angle for the camera. Alright. So Nick, I hope you're watching, and I hope you've got your fingers crossed that these caps are going to go off. So here we go, the first one. Oh, that was a success. One cap gone. These caps are old, so I think some of them are a bit duds, so we'll keep going. Well, as you can see, some of them are louder than the others. No, there's none there. So I've got a new strip. I've got to tell you, this isn't no fun at all. This is horrible. I'm bored. Awful fun. Absolutely awful fun. No, I've got to be honest, this brings out the kid in you, I tell you. Back again, the camera picked that moment for the battery to die, so I had to put a new battery in. So I think all the caps are gone on this one. Here's a new one. Whoa. Ooh, some of them are a lot louder than others. Here's another lot. I think that's all of them. Yeah. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that as much as I did, because that was absolutely, that was a lot of fun. I think I'll be ordering some more caps on eBay soon. turn that off. Turn the electricity off. So there we have it. That was fun. The grandkids are going to love this on the weekend. Also, I can slip this belt off there, slip the engine belt off, put this back on, and the grandkids love, they just turn that. Of course, because this makes so much noise when they come over, that's their favourite toy to get out and turn that handle. But they definitely haven't had a go at breaking toy caps on it, and they're going to absolutely have a ball doing that. So Jensen 20G, G with the generator, makes it cool. That's why it's the Jensen 20G, otherwise it's just the Jensen number 20. Designation G is with the generator. Hope you've liked that video today. A little bit different from the norm. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye now.